Hello everybody, Jim here. It's the creator of Super Sales Booster and the creator of Super Academy Club. And listen, in this training, I want to take, a couple seconds to say to you, thank you so much for investing in my app. It will be a game changer in your business as well. It works like gangbusters to my business. And, if you don't know or forget what this app is all about, we actually giving a discount coupon in an intelligent way. So the way that we do, there is Wheelio, there is Privy, there is Optimum, there is, Adrian Morrison new app. But all those apps suck, at least in my opinion, because they give the discount too early and they give discount to everybody. Listen, you send, let's say, 1,000 people to your stuff, and let's say 10 of those 1,000 people, they will buy, your item anyways. So why to give discount? You actually, lose money. Also, if you have a winning product, and some of those apps, they work like change the link here, of course, on the product, or the product link, they change it like question mark equals and the coupon code, whatever, right? You need to duplicate basically the ad set in Facebook and add the new link. Now, not only you give discount to everybody, okay, but as you know, Facebook treats each ad set individually. So it's like to start from scratch because the data and all the good data actually won't pass from ad set to ad set, if that makes sense. Okay, now let me actually show to you and then dive deep into the app. Again, thank you so much for buy this app. Okay, and let's say this is a testing site. As you can see, I don't promote anything. I have it just to do stuff. And as you can see here, let's pretend that I'm a brand new visitor. I see that, I like it, I go to buy it, whatever, right? And then some things, they skip the checkout, the cart, and go to the checkout. Some other, they go from cart to checkout. For us, it doesn't really matter, okay? So let me actually go through the cart, then to the checkout, because most of you guys, this is the flow that you have. And listen, before I talk about the app and actually show to you, let me put some clear things, okay? Now, with my app, okay, because I know my product and I'm a marketer, and also of from Super Academy Club, I actively do stuff. I'm not some guru that fits in my course, etc., etc. I'm actually do this stuff heavily. So some of you may know like apps slow down, your site. Well, we don't. We actually go in the checkout page. Also, a lot of you know that if you advertise the United States or the United Kingdom, or the speed is different. Okay. For example, if you have, it's all about speed, right? If you do like a speed test in Australia, which is the other side of the world, obviously your site will be way, way, way slower than if you do a speed test, in the United States. Now, for us, it doesn't really matter. Even if your site is slow, my app is super fast. Okay, now why I say that? Well, some of you might do worldwide targeting. I do that as well. Of course, I exclude countries, but it doesn't matter if you advertise in Spain, France, Bulgaria, Turkey, Germany, United Kingdom, Australia, Denmark, Norway, Malaysia. It doesn't matter. Okay, when someone goes here and try to exit, boom, the app will appear. Not only that, but you see, we have a couple things. Okay, do you see that the behind is a little more darker? Now, why is that? Well, people are visual, we are visually understand things. So the way that I had it before, it was pure white. I mean, you can see the background crystal clear. But now, okay, when appear, uh, because here is darker, okay, and then it was, I mean, it was pure white. Now it's a little more darker. All your attention goes here. Boom. This is what we want, right? We are on good track. Now, on top of that, we are the first app with intelligently through exit. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, there are apps like Wheelio, or Optimum, or Privy that they work on, exit intent. But the problem is, have you ever tried to exit and see the message and accidentally, hit somewhere, maybe the X, maybe somewhere here, it disappear and then try to do that and never happen. I mean, it happens to me a lot of times. Well, let's pretend that. Okay, boom. Okay, now it doesn't matter. Okay, if the app understands, hey, someone is about to leave. Let's try to convert him. And actually, as you can see, it's when the screen, try to, finish somewhere here. When other apps work from that point, because if someone try to exit fast, sometimes the pop never appear, right? And the app intelligently understand that, hey, we need to show the message, don't lose the customer. Now, on top of that, okay, I mean, in desktop, as you can see the discount. I mean, it's easy, right? But you still need to type that, right? With other apps, maybe copy to clipboard, whatever, right? Now, with us, we have one click auto submit. Not only that, but if you have seen in, mobile, and actually you should go into your site for mobile just to check. Here there are like 3 lines, and say you click those 3 lines, it is really, really small, and actually it dropped down and show, that area of the coupon, which means what I wanna say is that in mobile, the coupon area is hidden. So even if you use Wheelio or Privy, Optimum, whatever, right? Well, it's a really difficult someone to find where to put the discount code. Well, with us, it doesn't really matter, because when the pop-up appears and click OK, I want my discount. But and by the way, everything is editable. I mean, the title, the subtitle, the countdown timer here, the text, the button, the color, the colors, this color, everything is editable. Okay, don't worry about that. And actually, you can see it live. I will go inside, but hey, we click get discount, boom. Okay, 10% off. Of course, I will show you how to set up this, and it actually takes like 10 seconds. Okay, literally 10 seconds. Okay, now imagine that on mobile, which you should focus if you send from influencers or from Facebook or from whatever, right? How many sales you can capture. Okay, and let me actually jump, inside my app. As you can see here, you can see the title, the subtitle, timer, of course, everything is editable. I mean, and let's try to, edit that. So it's your lucky day. I mean, listen, I'm not a graphic designer, but I would say something. Hey, don't just yet. Just yet. Click the button below. click below and get 10% off before the time is 0. Boom. Okay. Now let's say get discount. Type on discount. And now, as we can see, it's a little bit better, but it actually sucks, right? So the first thing, let's say I want, maybe this in black. Cool. Maybe I want the second. Maybe I want to brand my brand to matte. So as you can see here, background, maybe I want it white. Okay, better. Now maybe I want the bottom to be maybe orange. Maybe I want this to be black, right? I mean, maybe I want from, from 3 minutes to 2 minutes, okay? And let me actually save it and see commands in. Of course, I was too much time, I was too much time to shooting the video, logged out, and it actually logged me out. Doesn't really matter. Alright, let me do that. Boom. Maybe I want this, as I said. Boom. Maybe I want this as that. Maybe I say, hey, don't yet. Maybe click below and boom. Maybe I want this black, maybe I want this black, and save. And now what I wanna do is, as you can see, of course, here now, because we apply the coupon, intelligently the pop understands that it doesn't, pop up, because they say, okay, we did what we had to do. So it's intelligently and understand that, hey, when the coupon is applied, there is nothing much, that we need to do on our end. So let me actually copy the copy, and open in a new window. Just pretend that I am a new visitor. Okay, let's actually go. Take a product really fast. It's loading. Right. Check out. It doesn't really matter. And now, as you can see, it updates live. Of course, I have open Camtasia and stuff like that. My computer is a little bit slow, but it is lightning fast. Now, let's say, as you can see here, we have some other cool stuff like pop-up. Where do you want it? Bottom right, left, right. Let's say that we want top right, right? preview, boom. Okay, now check this out. If I hit save, and let me actually go on the site and hit F5, which is refresh, or I can go and refresh myself. Here what I want to show you. Check this out. Did you see that? One more time. Check it. Okay, it updates real time. So if I do any change here, so I can split test on the fly. On top of that, we have some, let's say, pop-up effect and some really cool stuff. Here we add stuff all the time. Let's say pulse. Slide top. Let's say rotate in. Okay. Okay. Now, as you can see here, it actually will push everything behind back. No other app do that, or we do that because we want to focus and grab the attention. But let's say that we don't want that. What? Very easy. Just hit blue. Okay. No worries. Okay. Let's say that we want swing bottom. Okay, now let's say that you want to do both. Okay, and when someone click that, let me actually save that. Click outside F5 to do the refresh. Still the site loading. You see? And if I click that, now that I haven't applied the coupon, it says, okay, we need, to capture that guy, that visitor. But when we apply the coupon, okay, they understand and say, okay, our job is done. Okay, now that's it. I hope you like it. We will have more training below, and of course, I would appreciate it to give me a positive review, like 5 stars, and maybe type a text. Not only it will do to me and will help my app to rank higher and actually, make some more, customers, because, this is the app, okay? This is a business, but it will actually give to your site a backlink. And I actually recommend you, if you have like 5-10 apps, to go there and add a review, okay, because that review give a backlink, a powerful backlink to your site, okay, so it will help to get more organic traffic, okay. Of course, here it would be like an FAQ or maybe training, etc., etc. And listen, if you want to contact us, you are just one click away. Okay, never forget that. Of course, you can reach me on Facebook, on Skype, and as you probably know, I'm very down to earth. So I hope you like my app. Again, I thank you very much for investing in my app. A review would be highly appreciated. I love you. I hope you have a great success in your store. This will be, your secret tool, and this will be a game changer for you and your business. So thank you again, and talk again on the next time. Cheers.